Boil on the breast. Causes and symptoms. A boil is a pus-filled lesion that is painful and firm to the touch, also called furuncles. Boils are relatively common and harmless, but they can cause concern if they appear on the breast. In this video, we discuss the possible causes and symptoms of a breast boil. We also cover home remedies, healing time, complications, and when to see a doctor. Causes of a boil on the breast. Boils are abscesses that develop under the skin. They result from the infection of a hair follicle and the surrounding skin. Small cracks develop in the skin of the breast and nipple, allowing Staphylococcus aureus bacteria to enter the body. Other causes include an ingrown hair or foreign material within the skin. Boils generally form on areas of the body that have hair and are prone to sweating and subject to friction. These areas include the face, armpits, shoulders, and buttocks. However, boils can appear on other parts of the body. Symptoms of a boil on the breast. Early symptoms of a boil include appearance of a small, red, painful lump, pus developing in the lump, usually within 24 hours, whitish discharge, surrounding skin swelling up. A boil may appear similar to a pimple. Over time, several boils may cluster around the original one, creating a carbuncle. A person may also develop a fever. These are signs that further treatment may be necessary. At home care. Boils are rarely a cause for concern, and they may heal on their own. However, if they become more painful as the pus builds up, people can try the following steps. Compresses. To heal, boils generally need to open and drain. This process often occurs within a couple of weeks. A warm, moist compress can help bring the pus to the surface. People can apply the compress several times a day for 10 to 15 minutes to assist with draining. Keep the area clean. Once a boil starts draining, it is important to keep it clean with antibacterial soap and maintain the use of warm compresses. Ointment and bandage. Applying an antiseptic ointment and a sterile gauze bandage over the area can protect it until it has healed. People should change the bandage if it gets wet or dirty, and always throw away used dressings in a sealed bag. Washing the hands before and after the treatment of a boil is important to promote healing and avoid spreading the infection. A person should never attempt to burst or pop a boil, as this can spread the infection and lead to scarring. There are many popular natural and home remedies for boils, but there is generally a lack of research on their safety and effectiveness. When to see a doctor. If at-home treatment of a breast boil does not reduce its symptoms and appearance after 2 weeks, medical assistance is advisable. If a boil becomes larger and more severe, it is best to speak to a doctor. A person will also require medical attention if they have a fever and feel generally unwell. Red streaks appear around the boil. The boil does not drain. Additional boils appear. The boil keeps recurring after initially healing. A doctor may investigate the cause of recurring or severe boils using a blood test or skin swab.